Hey, what are you going to show me today?
I want to show you the Opinel DIY knife in organic gray.
Okay, so tell me about how long is it overall length?
Hey, the overall length is 7.93 inches.
Okay.
Let me put it in my hand here.
Oh, there we go.
So pretty cool knife.
Okay. So what's the deal? It looks like a grafting knife.
It does look like a grafting knife. It's really kind of towards electrician. So because it's got a wire stripper grooves here.
Okay.
You know, I guess you could actually cut wire here.
Guillotine there.
Guillotine there. Strip wires. So let's talk about how long this blade is. This blade is 3.25 inches long.
Okay.
And it is made in France. The steel is Sandvik 12C27, which is it's a great steel, Swedish steel. The overall length, again, 7.937 inches long.
Okay. Well, what's going on with the handle? What's the deal with the little screwdriver bits?
Yeah, well, let's get to that. So how you lock this thing? I like Opinel. Everybody knows Opinel. They make these in wood, but this is FRN material.
FRN?
What's FRN stand? It's a friggin' real tough.
Real tough. Okay, FRN.
It's tough.
It's a heavy. Oh, it's a real hard plastic. Huh?
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard material. It's a nice material. Well, it's not going to splinter or anything like some of the other wood handle stuff. But the twist lock.
Tell me about the twist lock.
That's been around for a long time.
So very, very simple.
Very simple.
Minimal moving parts.
A fool can use this.
A fool can use that.
And but and then it's of course this has got a taper on it. So as you tighten it here, no play. No, right. Of course, you back it off a little bit. You get a little bit. Wants to fold.
You'd also lock it closed, which I thought was kind of cool.
You can. So hey, it's
no way it's opening.
Not going to open in your luggage. Don't get any ideas. So yes, okay. So let's talk about the screwdrivers. Let's close this. Oh, actually, it's ground really nice.
Oh,
simple grind on it. It's a flat grind.
Wait. What's the deal with all the writing?
Serial number. And serial number of these knives. The reason why our client that wanted these knives has to have accountability. So hey, they give this to the electrician, aircraft guy, whatever. Hey, if this knife is shows up missing, this is going to be signed in for someone's name.
Okay, so they're what, 4-digit serial numbers?
4-digit serial number.
And our customers on Countycomm.com have no choice of serial numbers.
They don't have any choice because we have some extras, but we're going to sell some extras off the serial numbers. So the agency that purchased these, everybody gets assigned a knife and their serial number. So if you screw up your knife, don't pick up someone else's because it's got Timmy Smith's, working in the air conditioning system today. We found his blade inside of an aircraft, so you're gonna have a problem. So anyway,
gotcha.
So the knives were assigned to specific people by serial number. Okay, the screwdrivers uses 1/4-inch bits. Pretty cool. You just push them forward. Here is a flat blade here. You drop the screwdriver out. Neo magnet on this side.
There's a magnet.
Yep, let's look in there.
I see something silver. The silver thing is a magnet.
Yeah, maybe if I tap the focus a little bit. There we go.
Oh, how about that?
There we go. Okay. Yeah, it's magnetic hex in there, so hey, you can use it as a screwdriver.
So I can use all of my hex bits that I already have at home.
Yeah, and if you have a favorite that you use all the time, like some type of Torx or something, of course that could fit right in there.
Fits right in there.
And we like this knife. And the agency that purchased them, they bought quite a few. We have some extras. So these happen to be serial numbered. In this organic gray, nice knife, made in France. It's of course Opinel with their little logo on there.
Okay, so while it's special, it's also it's a
very practical knife. This is I can say you use it in the garden, you use this for all types of things.
Okay.
And
very cool.
There it is. It's got the little nail nick on there. Let's look at it once again, closed.
Okay.
And there it is in my hand.
Wow.
And there it is, made in France.
Made in France. Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.